Yo, what's up? As you can see, I'm out here going to test this 4M Foundry kit. You can see I've put the Ultra B headlight on there. In the next video, I'll do a nighttime test and see how well that works. But for looks, I think that is the best headlight you can get for the Surron. We'll chuck gear on and go for a ride. Bit of trails action. Ooh. Nope. Oh, dang. Oh. Oh no. This one. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Oh. The seat lifts you up a bit higher than stock seat. It's also a bit harder to sit on. It's not as comfortable as the stock one. Believe it or not, the stock one actually is more comfortable. Nice big front there. And the dirt is prime at the moment. Phew. We've got the bike loaded up, all done. So my thoughts on the 4M Foundry kit is the seat is uncomfortable and it does lift you up a little bit higher. But apart from that, it's sick, it looks good, I love it, I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.